Hong Kong.
Hi. Hi.
Yay, this is our bus.
Grand baby.
Hotel in Hong Kong. Oh, it's a king size bed.
It's a California king size.
Ah, look. Hi. The view from our room. Grabe, 9 nights. This is so much, ano talaga, such a huge improvement from our budget hotel at Fragrance Oasis in Singapore last year. Thank you, Dada. Ang ganda ng room na napili mo. Complete with amenities pa.
Kung pa yan na ano.
Hong Kong rate